Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be trying out some new makeup and doing this beautiful look. So I didn't do the eyeshadow in this video. It's going to be on my Instagram because I didn't want the video to be too long. So you're going to see me do the rest of my face. I hope that you guys will enjoy this. Some new products to me that I'm trying out today, and hopefully you can find some faves in this video as well. You know, if this is your first time watching Le Beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and put that bell on for notifications so that you never miss an upload. Join the Le Beat family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're going to be playing with some new makeup. I got some stuff from Mented. I am now a Mented mentor. So I'm going to be working with Mented all throughout the last month of 2020. I'm so excited about that. So you're going to be seeing, you know, some of their products on this channel and on my Instagram as well. Definitely follow them. They're a Black woman owned brand where pigment comes first. That's where they get mented from. When I found out that that was like a correlation, I was like, yes, sign me up. The first thing I'm going to try from them, which I've tried before but in a different shade, is the Highbrow Precision Pencil. I usually use Brow Down, which is like a dark brown. But today I want to incorporate this shade Black Brown. I may just use it on the tail of my brow, but let's see. So this is Black Brown, and then above it is Brow Down. This is actually quite dark. I probably shouldn't have used so much in the front of my brow, but I'm gonna like brush through just to soften it a bit. I actually really like that shade. I'm not accustomed to seeing myself with dark brows, so that's why sometimes it's kind of jarring, but it does look really good when you do your makeup. And the thing about dark brows is, like, when you're going out, you could see it from far away. And like your photos, you'll be able to see your brows. In a lot of my photos, you cannot see my brows. It's ridiculous. So I'm kind of trying to get comfortable with having darker brows. Plus I'm gonna do, you know, dramatic kind of look. So having dark brows will be fine. So I absolutely love the way this brow product works, and it only costs $15. So yeah, very reasonably priced compared to what else is on the market, and so comparable to what is on the market. A very nice gel that latches onto your hair. You see how nice and crisp my brows are looking. I'm not going to do the eye look on camera. If you want to see how I create the eye look with the Huda Beauty palette, head over to my Instagram. It's going to be there. I don't want the videos to be too long, so I'm gonna just do the eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, then we have a new blush from Mented. This one is called Clay Too Much. Apparently this shade is always sold out, but it's supposed to be back in stock. I will leave a link with everything. Ooh, that color is beautiful. It's like a terracotta, orange, brown. Ooh, yes. I am loving that. It kind of reminds me of Raisin from MAC. Don't know that shade? That's the vibes it's giving me. Almost like a bronzer. Ooh, I like. And put a little bit on the apples. This is really nice. So far, I've been loving Mented blushes. I just have another one called Buried Away, and now I'm adding Clay Too Much to the lineup. I absolutely love it. Oh, I also just want to show you guys, though I didn't use it in this look, but Mented also has a new palette. This is the Every Night eyeshadow palette. So the shades are kind of similar to the Huda Beauty Mauve palette, like those burgundy shades right here. This is such a beautiful palette. It retails for $30 on their website. I did a look with it recently, so you guys should be seeing it on my Instagram very soon. But yeah, this palette is also really gorgeous. Though I didn't use it today, I really wanted to try the Huda Beauty one. So I'm kind of torn about the layups. Let's see. Let me try Night, even though I think it's not going to be dark enough. Okay, Night is okay. I love how these liners just glide. I do have to say, Mented did gift these products to me, but this video is not sponsored. Oh, okay. Night is looking good. It's gliding on so nicely, but it's matte. I could appreciate that. Though it's gliding on so smoothly, it's not slipping and sliding all over the place. It's completely matte. Now I just need to decide which lipstick. Over the weekend, I was wearing Brand Nude, but I want to try something else today. So I decided to go with Peach Please. It smells so good. And this is a semi-matte lipstick. So it feels quite moisturizing on the lips. Oh wow. I didn't think I would like this color as much as I do. Ooh, I like. It's a nice nude. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of Bite Beauty Midnight Rye. Just to line just a little bit darker. Oh, I'm in love with Peach Please. So the semi-matte lipsticks retail for $16.50. You guys can check out their site. I'm gonna link it down below. So for highlight, I'm using the Rose Quartz from Becca. This is a collaboration between Becca and Bobby Ferreira. I don't know if you guys remember this palette. I'm not sure if I showed this on my YouTube yet, but I think I did. This face palette is a part of the collaboration. My lights are really washing it out. It's pretty good. The only thing I don't like is the packaging. It's just too much. Becca is usually nice and sleek. This is like prismatic, I guess that's the name of it. So they were trying to have a theme, but I don't really like the packaging on this. But yeah, this is just a continuation of the collaboration between Becca and Bobby Ferreira. I like Rose Quartz, and I think it's really going with the look that I'm doing today because it's like in the pink family. It's a really light highlight, lighter than I would usually use, but I like how it's looking. Y'all, Becca is my favorite brand of highlighter, so it can really do no wrong in my eyes. Then we also have some lippies. They are so cute. We have Sparkle, Foil, and Facet. So this is just a lip gloss kit. I was gifted these by Becca. Just need to let you guys know that. And I'm gonna have links in the description box if you guys would like to purchase. I believe Becca also has a code that you can use. I'm gonna put it down below if you want to save, I believe, 15% off their website. I'm gonna add one of the glosses on right now. Right, this one is kind of purple, kind of pinky, kind of gold. So I want to use the pinky one. Though I'm absolutely loving how this look is looking, but I do like a gloss. So let's try foiled. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh wow, I like this gloss. Let me see the price. The glosses retail for $20. Really? So this lip kit is $20, y'all. I think that is an amazing price. You can actually get it for $17 on Macy's website. So I think I want to swatch them on my hand right next to the highlighters. I am super impressed by this. It feels really glossy but super lightweight. It's not sticky at all. Well, the one that I tried. Here they are. I am like absolutely blown away by this. So the first one we have is Sparkle, Foiled, and then Facet. Look how beautiful Facet is. It's like a purplish blue. So Sparkle is vanilla with rainbow pearl, Foiled is cool pink with red pearl, and Facet is lilac with blue and pink pearl. So right now I have on Foiled, cool pink with red pearl. I absolutely love it. My lips are looking so juicy, not sticky. I feel like I want to put this into my Sephora VIB recommendations. It's so good. I think I'm gonna add it in there. So stay tuned for my recommendations, guys. I believe that video is gonna be dropping on Friday because the Sephora holiday event is coming up. So I'm gonna be giving you guys some recommendations of things that I have been wanting and things that I have and absolutely love, you know, just to help you if you decide you want to buy anything from Sephora. That's this look, guys. I'm gonna put everything that I use in the description box, of course. Thank you to Mented and Becca for sending me these products to try out. Some of the things were also from my Ipsy creator box that I received. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you have any of the products that I tried, or if you want to pick up anything that I mentioned. Please check the description box for any codes, any coupon codes and links if you want to shop. Shopping my links really helps this channel. I get a small commission from some of the links in the description box, so that would be greatly appreciated. So you know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Lil Upbeat on Instagram and Lil Upbeat Inc on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and without further ado, have a great night, guys. Bye.